one thing that improves sales copy, newsletters, and articles. We've all been there. Sometimes it's tough coming up with new things to write about. Depending your topic, it may even be an area that rarely has any new spice to it. If you're like most, you have no time to do comprehensive research before writing your next newsletter or article. What if you knew one secret that top online marketers already know that puts tons of fresh content at your fingertips with little time investment? A swipe file can do all this and a bit more for you by giving you a place to turn. What's a swipe file? It's a place to store all your resources on a given topic in one place. They can prevent writer's block, give you tons of facts to quote, and pull new ideas from. How do you go about acquiring one? Whether you use an electronic swipe file using a folder on your computer to search through, or a paper one, they all have the same benefit. A paper swipe is as easy to start as grabbing an accordion file from a local office supply store. Ask one, they all know what they are. What goes into my swipe file? RSS feeds, press releases, other people's newsletters, photos, speeches, brochures, articles, stats, newspapers, magazines, promos, sales letters, reports/stats/studies. But how do I know if something should go in my swipe file or not? It grabbed you. Things that grab your attention, like good headlines, testimonials, or a good story. It inspired you. This can be things that establish good credibility, a great warranty, good testimonials, or strong benefits. It shocked you. Some things that could do this would be good statistics, a huge promise, a shocking picture. Any thrown together swipe file, no matter how loose or organized, has benefits. Remember, they're always a work in progress and there's no right way to organize it. In my recent book, I even talk about creating a completely electronic swipe file that adds all these content types on its own from all over the web based on keyword phrases you choose. Build your own swipe file and just watch how often you refer to it.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.